Sandy here from Create in Spain, and I'm doing another shortcut slot bite, this time on the rhinestone feature. So this is a effect that you can use in shortcut slot to put rhinestones on your t-shirts or whatever, and it will cut out the template for you. So if I go to effects and I then go down to rhinestones, there we go, found it. We have a couple. Well, we have more than a couple. We have a lot of different rhinestone sizes in here, but we have a few different options that we can check on as well. And we have a preview button. So we have the stone size, the spacing, adjust spacing to fit path, or we have fill shapes with rhinestones. So if I fill the shape with rhinestones, this is the preview we get. Okay. If I choose not to do that, but to fit the path and preview, then we have the outline. Let me just move this out of the way so you can see. So there we have the outline version. And if I do this one again, we have the fill shape. So that is how it functions. Now, some fonts are better than others for using rhinestones. As a rule, if you want something which is accurate to the font, you have to go fairly small on the rhinestones unless you've got a very big design. The other thing that you want to do is check that your stone size is accurate, that your hole is accurate. So what I suggest you do is that you break apart your design. Hang on, just click on OK. So break apart. And just copy and paste, copy, paste, and move that out of the way somewhere. Okay, now I can drag it. There we are. Cut out one or two of the holes and see if your rhinestone actually fits comfortably. Your whole template should be slightly larger holes than the rhinestones themselves. Otherwise, when you tip them in, they won't go bottoms up and go in the holes properly, which for some reason, I don't understand how it does it really, but it works if the hole is the right size. It's quite fascinating using a brush to brush things into a template. It works. I don't really see why it should, but it does. So if you've now got the right hole size, what I suggest you do is you have a little notebook and you take one of your rhinestones, you write down what size the hole was in shortcut slot, and you stick a stone on the page as well. That means that if you ever buy a different brand of stone, you can check it against that sizing and work out whether it needs to be adjusted or not without having to do another test cut. But that's how it works, and it's a very nice function to have if you want to do anything like that on your clothing, your t-shirts, jackets or whatever. Or even some people do it on trainers and things of that type. That is the rhinestone function. It is available in Shortcut Slot 5. You do not need the Pro version for the rhinestone function. It used to be a Pro version in version 4, but not in version 5, I believe. Thanks for watching.